Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet. Okay, open up the Google Meet in your browser. Now, in here we have options to create a new meeting. When you click on this, you can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule it in Google Calendar. Let's begin with the first option, create a meeting for later. Simply click on that and you can see that in here a link appeared. Now, simply copy it and then send to people that you want to meet with. When they open it, the recording and the meeting will start and you will be able to meet each other. The second option is starting an instant meeting. If you click on that, it's currently loading and now the meeting has started. On the left side you can see that the meeting is ready. If you click on this button, you will be able to add another people or simply copy the link and send to other people so they will be able to join. And the last thing is creating and scheduling it in Google Calendar. If you click on that, you can see that the Google Calendar appeared in the second page. Now in here above you can add the title, you can select the date, the hours, also the time zone next to it. Below we can see also the link or join it instantly right now. We can add the location and below we can also add the description. If you click on add guests, you'll see other people with Google accounts, or just like I was saying before, you can send them the link. Now if you will save it in the calendar, click on save, you can see that our meeting has been added into the calendar and in here we can also join it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.